gonna be a Halloween weekend. This is gonna be my first Halloween in New York City, and I'm very excited. My roommates and I are gonna be Alvin and the Chipmunks. Which chipmunk do you think I will be? If you guess Theodore, that is correct. I ordered a green shirt and sweater from Amazon. Then I'm gonna add a letter T to my sweater. And I actually ordered ears, but they're not coming until tomorrow anymore. It probably got delayed because so many people are ordering last minute costumes. So I'm gonna go to Michael's and get the stuff. This is how I start off my morning. New episode of Eongji. I ate my pizza. Don't look at how I didn't finish my pizza crust. Nani matcha, always. Let us head over to Michael's. Guess what, guys? I'm gonna jog to Michael's. I got sick 2 weeks ago, so I've just been so out of shape. I haven't really been doing much movement. So yeah, let's go on a jog. It is such a beautiful day in New York City today. Whoa, look, it's so beautiful. I'm like 5 minutes away from Michael's and I ended up jogging for probably 5 minutes in total. Okay, now this looks magnificent. Oh my god, like the way the sun is perfectly hitting this one tree. Oh my god.
Wait.
I want to make something like this.
She was like, so honestly, like,
Something like this. Yeah, that looks good. I ended up not having headbands, so I'm gonna go to Target for that. And then we got this yellow felt for the letters. Like a really small Daiso. Actually, it's not really like Daiso because everything's kind of expensive. But TJ Maxx will definitely have headbands for very cheap. Hopefully. I feel like we're getting closer. Oh, this is so ugly. What the heck? Why don't they have the thin ones? It's not bad. And then there's exactly 3. Okay guys, I'm gonna risk it and not get those headbands. I feel like another store must have plain black ones. Maybe like CVS or Target. Hallelujah. Let's go. Oh my god. I am defeated. That was so much walking. Okay, it is DIY time! Okay everybody, here's the game plan. These are gonna be for the letters on the shirt. Honestly, I think I could have just bought these 2, but I bought 4. But these are gonna be for the ears. This is the inspo. Oh, that's kind of big. Let's make it a little bit smaller. I think chipmunks don't have like crazy big ears. I think that's cute. Guys, it's so cute. Oh, Gorilla Glue. Look how cute that is, what the heck? Now it's time for the letters. Where finally done. Whoa! Let's go. Yay! Today's hairstyle is braids. What type of phrases does Theodore say? Hi, I'm Theodore. I'm having another slice of pizza. Yeah. Heck yeah. Hi, I'm Theodore, and I'm eating pizza. Oh my god, I dropped my pizza. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I'm gonna eat it because I'm not gonna die. You guys, a little bit of germs is good for your immune health. I'm gonna be going to a Halloween party with my roommate and some other friends. Oh my god. Hey Mel. Hey. It's my roommate Mel.
Hi.
Okay. Mel has double-sided tape.
Yes, it should be very powerful. I'll go change.
Ooh, guys, don't look.
Wait, can you see?
Yeah, I'm covering you.
Like this is good?
Yeah. Perfect. Cute.
I don't like it.
Wait, what? It looks good.
So high neck.
I'm Theodore.
It works. Yahoo.
Okay, this is almost the final look. I'm gonna put nose and then maybe some freckles. Oh my god, we're so cute! Face paint.
They're currently putting together a split shirt right now. This is Louise Day. It's peach time. Pretty.
Holy shit!
We were supposed to go bike them, but it was or like
Superman. No way, literally. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be alive.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm so good.
Simon!
Wait, these are
Oh my god, we're so cute!
Drink up!
Cheers, everybody!
If you want to use this life, take a shot right now! What I look like? Hi!
Alright guys, triple stars here.
How you just like?
Hey, I'm Skrillex.
You guys, last time I put Owen's Instagram handle and he gained 2 followers.
I expected more, y'all.
Wait, what?
Oh?
Are you think I'm thankful?
Thank you. Thank you for supporting me in my journey,
Yes.
for supporting Eugen. I'm grateful for the 2 people that followed me, and I hope you guys have a great day.
This is his Instagram again. Make sure to follow Owen Chen.
I need a remeasure.
Dude, she's basically as tall as Owen.
God damn!
Bro, I got a tippy toe to write this shit.
Damn! Show the viewers.
So you're 5'7"?
I'm 5'8". Show the viewers.
5'7".
My world just shattered.
Yeah!
Yo, remeasure. I need a remeasure.
So good! So good!
Wait, this is so good. What the heck?
It's